Chrysler's electro-hydraulic power steering system provides the same feel as a conventional hydraulic power steering system while improving fuel economy by using an electric motor to power the pump when assist is required. The system is comprised of the electro-hydraulic pump assembly, control module, and steering gear. Chrysler used this type of steering on Challenger, Charger, 300 and Grand Cherokee models from 2011 to 2015. The power steering module is on top of the pump, and the motor controls the speed of the power steering pump according to vehicle speed and steering angle. By changing the pump speed, the module controls the steering assist force. What calculates the levels of assist is the steering module connected to the high-speed CAN bus through the tip-M. Using the CAN bus, the ABS module provides vehicle speed, steering angle, and torque data to the power steering system. The connection to the ECM allows the alternator to provide enough power when the pump is running. These units come programmed for the vehicle and eliminate the need to program a replacement unit. It is just plug and play. Just install the unit and connect the fluid and electrical connections. AAE has been a trusted industry leader in new and remanufactured steering racks, power steering pumps, and related electric components. Offering the aftermarket's best EPS line, AAE's EPS program includes racks and motors, all engineered to meet OE specifications in performance, fit, and function. These units make installation easier without the need to initiate a programming session like the competition. To stay up to date with new products from AAE and the rest of the CRP brand lineup, join the Jumpstart team at crpautomotive.com/jumpstart. And don't forget to subscribe to CRP's YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.